Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the wonder weapon in Voyage of Despair. The Kraken is a formidable weapon, and there's a guaranteed way to obtain it without spending points on the mystery box. This involves a multi-step chest puzzle that will lead you directly to this powerful firearm. Let's dive into the first step to begin your quest for the Kraken. Your journey begins by eliminating a Stoker, a fiery mini-boss zombie, which typically spawns around round 10 or 11. Successfully defeat it to obtain a special key. Next, you must find one of 5 hidden chests scattered across the ship. Once located, use your newly acquired key to open it, revealing its contents and initiating the soul charging process. After opening the chest, you'll need to charge it by killing approximately 10 to 30 zombies nearby, allowing their souls to fill it. The chest will then disappear and reappear in a new random location. Repeat this charging process 2 more times. Upon the 3rd charge, an item will appear inside, such as a compass or telescope, indicating the exact crate where the Kraken will emerge. Once you know the Kraken's location from the chest item, head to the designated crate on the ship. A massive tentacle will then appear from the water, placing the Kraken wonder weapon directly onto the crate for you to pick up. Congratulations, you now possess the Kraken. For even more power, you can further upgrade it with various elemental effects by finding specific parts and crafting an elemental ammo kit.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.